Okay, the first topic we'll look at in the chemistry high level syllabus videos is topic 1.1. That's the mole concept and Avogadro's constant. The first learning outcome is called 1.1.1, where you have to learn how to apply the mole concept to substances. And these substances includes all kinds of particles, atoms, molecules, ions, electrons, formula units, and so forth. The amount of substance is measured in moles, abbreviated MOL, and we measure this using Avogadro's constant, abbreviated L, which is 6.02 times 10 to the power 23, and the unit is 1 over mole. Okay, so if you apply the mole concept, that means if you take 1 mole of any of these particles or atoms or molecules, that says like 1 mole of the substance, that means that you will have this mass right here, which consists of many particles or atoms or any of the other things, and you have exactly 6.02, and then there's a lot of numbers in this unit, times 10 to the power 23 of the particle of the substance.
The next point is 1.1.2, and it's about determining the number of particles and the amount of a substance in moles. Our first example is if you have 1 mole of sodium chloride, then that will be equal to 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23 molecules. The next example is if you have 3 times 10 to the power of 9 molecules of water, then that will be equal to 3 times 10 to the power of 9, all divided by the constant L, which is Avogadro's constant, which is 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23, which is then equal to 4.98 times 10 to the power of negative 15 moles. Okay, and the third example is if you have 3.5 moles of CH3OH,
methanol,
that will be equal to 3.5 moles times Avogadro's constant, which will then be equal to 21.07 times 10 to the power of 23. And the fourth example is if you have 10 moles of acetic acid, that will be equal to 10 moles times by 4 times by Avogadro's constant, and it's 4 because there are 4 hydrogens, and that will be equal to 2.41 times 10 to the power of 25 hydrogen atoms.